Is it going? Turn it down more? Alright. There we go. Hold on. Let's see. Well, no, I just need to make this real quick. Alright, so here we go. This is going on the Project Stang, you feel me? That's what it looks like right now. Give you a little overview. Oh, so nasty. Look at all that gunk. Just gonna overhaul this. I can guess what it's going in. Can't really show the car yet. Oh, okay, back to this. Yeah, this is looking nasty, real bad. But about to start tearing it down. And hopefully I can actually get a time lapse on here. So we'll see. Let's do this. There we go. Yanked apart. Look at those pistons looking nasty. Walls and everything still juicy though. See all the cross hatches. Beautiful, beautiful. I like it. I like what I see. I like what I see. I don't really have to replace anything. Oh, wait. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. So let's get all the grease and the gunk. Nasty. Disgusting. That's gonna be a little while to take off. It's straight though. Oh, how's he doing all this? That'll look better. Let's get this junkiness taken apart now. Yummy. All taken apart, pretty much. Gotta take the motor mount and oil filter off. That's about it, but this is what it looks like. Somebody's meant to blow this up. Oh, and another thing, check this out. Let's see if you can, oh shoot, almost fell back. Let's see if we can get this. Oh my god. It's like an old bicycle or something, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, look at all this nastiness. Ugh. I gotta clean all this off so I can paint it. Wait, I'm gonna take off this. yank the cam out. Got something in the stores for that. And then oil pump. Strip everything, clean everything, paint. Let's do this. Let's see if I can get under here. Look at that. Ugh. Oh, and then look at these freeze plugs. Definitely, they would have definitely popped one day. Mine popped on my Fox, my other Fox. At a library. Luckily, I was down the street from my house. Just ran into the house. But, yeah, all right, let's get started. Okay, let's see if it goes now. All right, let's see this. It's caked in there. This gasket, look at this. I can't get it off. It's like stuck on there. This is bad. This is nasty. God dang. Yeah, this is terrible. Look right here. Let's get it. Ah, stab me. This gasket is so freaking hard and brittle. Ugh. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my. That is nasty. I just wanted to show that because that's disgusting. So, oh, let me get this. Let me try to get some of this. Let me try to get some of it. Oh, let me try to get some of that. Oh, that's going on the ground. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. Hold up. Let's get in there. Let's get in there. Let's get in there. Nasty. All right. Let me get it.
Yeah, me. I gotta stop talking about this, but let me see what you got going on, Toro.
Degreasing time, baby. Y'all see that? Degreasing time, baby. But go to the back. Go to the back, because I didn't touch it yet. Go to the back. Oh my God.
Hold on. Look at this chunk of just
gunk
sitting on there. I hope you guys can see this, because this is bad. Oh my God.
You need to call somebody with that.
You need some help. Look at that. There's
Show that right there. Show that right there to the camera. Let me see that.
It's supposed to be actually even, and there's a fat layer right there.
So this is what you do when you piss off Trav. He gives you some piece of motors for free.
Ain't that right? It came off the notch.
So, Torrin's out here degreasing the out of this. He already got 3. Believe it or not, he got 3 days degreasing this. So that's how bad it's been. You should have seen it 3 weeks ago. He's gonna do a little bit more time lapse for you guys. So let's see how it goes.
Look at this. That is not cold. Okay, yeah. It is not cold. That is this nasty, gunked up, probably water mixed with a whole bunch of nasty grease and oil all in it. So I gotta try to clean this up. So I'm trying to see how good I can actually get it. But here it is before. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, nice. That's beautiful. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Should be a decent cleanup. Let's do it though. See how much gunk we can get out. Now, degreasing time, and I'm going to show you the after, what it looks like. Just a little gunk in there. And here is the finished product. Well, semi-finished. I still got to paint it, but this is after all that gunk and nasty stuff is gone. And let me go ahead and give you a little preview of the motor. Let me go ahead and set this right here. Nice little holder. Bam. all cleaned up. No gunk. No nothing in there. Let me spin that for you. No nothing in there, baby. Oh, it's so clean. This thing is ready for paint. Oh, no gunk. No gunk. Y'all remember that top part that I showed y'all? Look at it now. Look at it now. Oh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Got a little bit of water in here, but that's fine. Just wipe that out. Oh, that's nasty. Yeah. But it's ready for paint now. This is ready for paint. That's ready for paint. Once it's all painted, you gotta wait on these parts. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I like Christmas in this motherfucker. But now you just gotta wait on these parts to come in. Bolt everything down, and it's gonna be done. Probably about like, once they come in, probably 2 days after. Yeah, motor. Walk around. I don't know if you can see over here.
I'll show them my 1,000 capable clutch, right?
Isaac's motor. Oh, what is that? Oh, what is that? There it is. All right.